So I was asking myself a question the other day. What do you do when you have a lemon and a lime and an apple? Hmm. How about making a sleepy teeny? Boom. There you go. Okay. Simple, simple, simple. Lemon. Put it in and we strain out the seeds. This lemon tree really wanted to reproduce. It's got so many seeds and it's lemons. Okay. Lime. Not a whole lot. You don't need to squeeze in the whole thing. Just enough to get that flavor because lime is a strong flavor, right? Okay. So many seeds. That's done. Apple. Apple. We cut it into pieces. Drop it in. What do you need if you're going to make it sleepy? You put in 3 milligrams of melatonin. You put in some chamomile tea. We don't need any chemicals or high-tech stuff. We don't need any pharmaceuticals, just the basics. And let's muddle. We want to get that apple juice all the way infused in our drink here. Doesn't do us any good for the apple pieces just to sit there because we want to get everything out from the inside. That's why you muddle. Show you. This is a muddling stick. You see how it's kind of ridged on the inside? It helps kind of break up all the pulp and everything that you need. All right. Got that part done. Martini shaker. Ice. Strainer. And wow, you can smell the lemon. Man, oh man, oh man. Okay. And shake. I have to strap one of these to the back of my dog when he comes in and he's all wet outside. You know, they shake to get all that water off. Just put one of these on him. It'll save you all the time and trouble, I guess. All right. Watch. Look what comes out of this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. You know, the lemon has the biggest zing. The lime kind of kicks it in a little bit, and the apple calms it down. That's why it's a calmer. Melatonin, you don't taste it. Chamomile, you don't really taste it. But I'll tell you what will happen when you try to go to bed in about an hour. It'll help you. So please like, subscribe, ring the bell, tell your friends, give us your comments, help us out. We're here to help you out. Take a look at Sleep Science today. Look at our channel. Look at all the information we have available for you. We are constantly pumping out more information to help you sleep better. Sleep Science today and sleep better tonight.